They predate history. They outlasted empires. But now, the Aravalli Hills face a fight not against nature, but against definitions. A November 2025 Supreme Court ruling meant to bring clarity instead triggered fears of ecological rollback. Protests followed, questions mounted, and the centre froze new mining leases. And now, the Supreme Court has stayed its own ruling, admitting that the definitions it approved may need a closer look. Not only now, but the Aravallis have been locked in courtrooms for decades, caught between protection, profit, and poor enforcement. So let's decode how this moment was shaped by decades of court rulings and legal intervention. The Aravalli Hills stretch nearly 700 kilometers from Gujarat through Rajasthan and Haryana to Delhi. They are among the world's oldest mountain systems. Their importance lies not in height, but in function. They recharge groundwater, slow the advance of the Thar Desert, and act as a natural barrier against dust and pollution in Delhi NCR. Damage the Aravallis and the consequences spread far beyond the hills. But unregulated mining in the Aravallis is not recent. The crisis entered courtrooms in the 1980s primarily through MC Mehta versus Union of India, where the SC repeatedly observed irreversible damage to air, water and soil caused by mining in Haryana's Aravalli belt. This litigation, along with T.N. Godavarman Thirumul-Pad versus Union of India, shaped decades of judicial intervention. January 1992. The Environment Ministry issued a notification restricting mining in sensitive zones across Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. October 1995, in the Godavarman case, the SC expanded the definition of forest to its dictionary meaning. This brought large parts of the Aravallis, recorded and deemed forests, under judicial protection. 1996, hundreds of stone quarries around Delhi were shut down due to dust pollution, public health risks, and ecological damage. 6th May 2002, the Supreme Court banned mining and groundwater extraction within 5 kilometers of the Delhi-Haryana border and Haryana's Aravalli Hills. October 2002, after a Central Empowered Committee report exposed rampant illegal mining, the court imposed a blanket ban across the Aravalli range with limited non-forest relaxations. Despite bans, illegal mining persisted. In 2009, SC reaffirmed prohibitions in Haryana's Aravalli districts, noting thousands of mining trucks operating daily. By 2015, notices were issued to Haryana and Rajasthan for non-compliance. But a core issue kept resurfacing. There was no scientific definition of what legally constituted the Aravalli Hills. And that ambiguity became the foundation of the current dispute. 21st November 2025, the Supreme Court accepted the centre's proposed definition. It ruled that only landforms rising 100 meters or more above local relief qualify as the Aravalli Hills. Land within 500 meters between such hills is also included. New mining leases were frozen, scientific mapping and a management plan for sustainable mining were ordered. But environmental experts warned that focusing solely on elevation oversimplifies a complex ecosystem. 27th November, an Indian Express report citing Internal Forest Survey of India documents suggested that only 8.7% of the Aravallis in Rajasthan will be protected under this definition. 20th and 21st December, Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav rejected claims of dilution. He said only 0.19% of the Aravalli's 1.43 lakh square kilometer area could ever qualify for mining. All land within the 500-meter buffer remains protected. No new mining will be allowed without scientific studies. On 23rd December, FSI clarified it had not conducted any study claiming that 90% of the Aravallis would be left unprotected. Then, a day later, the centre formally directed states to halt new mining leases. 29th December, amid uproar and confusion, the SC stayed its earlier ruling, saying aspects of the approved definition needed clarification. and it has ordered an independent expert panel to reassess the environmental impact of mining. While the definitions are under review, one fact remains that the Aravallis cannot survive another decade of confusion. They have survived ice ages, tectonic shifts, and millennia. Whether they survive modern governance is the crucial question. For more deep, fact-based explainers, follow Business Standard.